Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, today is the day. MOT time for the Citroen Berlingo van. I have got some bits and pieces to do before it goes for the MOT, so we'll crack on with that this morning and then get it over to them, find out if it's going to be all right, if it will go through, fingers crossed. We get no advisories. That is what I want, no advisories. So yeah, let's get cracking. Let's do this. So yeah, guys, today is the day we get this MOT'd and see if it will pass or we've got any advisories. We've still got bits and pieces to do around the car, the van, sorry. We've got all the inside to clean, sort out, clean up and tidy up. I've still got to get that air conditioning compressor. I still haven't got that. We still need to pick that up and replace that at some point. I've just been so busy, just running around doing other bits and pieces. I've not had time. I have noticed as well that we've got this bulb is out. So I'd like to change that bulb over this morning, first thing. And then that way it'll be ready for the MOT. We've also got to tidy up the back, clean it all out. You know, just do the normal stuff really, not only for the MOT, but for getting pictures done and getting this one up for sale. So, yeah, let's just get cracking. I'll set you up. And obviously, we've got to do the front as well. Still got to do that bit of trim that goes here. So we've still got to sort this out as well. You can see it's just a slight shade off there, isn't it? So, yeah, we'll have a little go at that. And basically just get it done, apart from that compressor, because I just haven't had time to go and get it. So yeah, I'll set you up. Let's get cracking with this one today. Let's do this. Right, guys, just before we have a quick look around the van, you just see me do that, but I want to show you as well. I had some comments asking why I removed the plastic trims from the front yesterday's video to get the bumper on. Now, the reason why these were removed is because I got another slam panel and front with a crash bar, and it was this plastic part was slightly different to the other one. Now, thinking back on it, there wasn't actually one of these covers behind the bumper attached to the crash bar. There was no plastic bit, but for some reason it come with this. So that's why I took it off, because it was stopping the bumper from going on correctly on the front end. And also these plastic trims as well. They were the wrong ones for that particular model that I got. Yeah. So I took them off. And that's it, yeah. So I just wanted to explain that was the reason why I did that. Because the bumper just would not go. So yeah, let's have a look at the inside, because it is looking so clean, so tidy, so clean. Everything's been hoovered, everything's been cleaned. You see me do that inside the back here, all nice and tidy. When you open the doors now, the lights go on. So yeah, and then obviously after a couple of minutes they go off, which is pretty cool. So it's really nice and bright in here. There's also another light up the top there. So yeah, one above this door, one above that door. But yeah, nice and clean, nice and tidy. I've wiped around everything as well. So yeah, all the metal's been wiped around, door's been cleaned. We've done the light. This was just a little bulb that had gone in this third light. So I wanted to get that done, ready for the MOT. So now we've got all 3 brake lights. That won't come up on an advisory. And yeah, it's just nice, really nice and tidy now. Really clean. It's looking good. It is looking good. You can see those lights now, look. So it does put a bit of yeah, it's quite bright in there now. So now that's done, I'm going to turn my attention to the front end and this white panel. Looking at it like that, actually, it don't look that bad. On camera, it's actually coming out slightly different, but actually up front, face to face, it's not that bad. But I'm going to do it anyway. We're going to run it across and see if we can make it a little bit better than what it is going through there. So yeah, that's going to be the next thing, guys. I'll set you up. Let's get cracking with that, and let's just see what it comes out like. Let's do this. Right, guys, have a look at that. It's not that bad, actually, is it? It's come out pretty good. I know I shouldn't be touching it, but yeah, it looks all right. It's not 100% perfect, is it? But it's still there. Just slightly, you can just see the slight difference in that. But I think we'll be all right with that now. Just got to sort out this gap. Still a little bit not happy with that gap, so I've got to sort that out. But at least we've gone over that with the actual machine. So we'll put that away. The next step is to get this to the M.O.T centre, guys. Got about 10 minutes, and then I've got to go. So I'll grab some lunch quickly, and then I'll get over there. M.O.T centre, get back, and I'll show you the results on this one. So bear with me, and I'll see you in a bit. Right, okay, guys, I am back from the M.O.T centre with the Citroen Berlingo van, and even the M.O.T guy said, what a clean van this is. Really, really nice and tidy, all round. So, yeah, really, really nice. He was impressed, so that's good. That's straight away, that's a good sign. But let me show you the results on the M.O.T. So there we go. No advisories. That is what I'm always looking for. So yeah, MOT'd, done. It's not actually done a lot of miles. It's done average miles compared to last year. So, you know, that is what it is. But there's a big jump between 21 and 22 there. You can see 65,000 and then up to 87,000. So a little bit of a jump there, but, you know, we have got an advisory-free MOT to go with this van. So apart from, you know, looking at sorting out that air conditioning compressor, getting tongue-tied here, and, you know, a general clean around the tyres and bits and pieces, this is ready to go. This is ready to go up for sale. There's no reason why it can't go up for sale whilst I'm waiting to find one of those compressors. And then we'll just swap it over when I'm able to get one. So, yeah, there we go. This one is done for now. We might see that back on the channel if I can find that compressor in time. You know, otherwise it may be just me swap it over quickly. And then that should be done. But yeah, that's it, guys. It's MOT'd, cleaned, and then yeah, it can go up for sale whilst we look for that compressor. I keep saying it. So that's enough waffling. That's the end of today's video, and probably the end of what you're going to see this van, guys. It's not going to hang around. This is going to absolute fly away. The condition of it, and obviously the price that I'm going to put it up for. Most of the vans that I've seen, the same year, the same van, the same mileage, and all that stuff, they're all asking for like £8,000. So, you know, it's going to be a couple of grand under that. So I reckon this will easily fly away when someone sees this one. So that's it. That's the end of today's video and the end of the Citroen Berlingo project. Like I said, guys, we have got another project coming in very soon, which is the Land Rover Discovery Sport. But also, we've also got the Vauxhall Corsa, the white one. That's coming back from the paint and body shop. So we'll get into that when it turns up. But for now, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.